Unboxing XMARTO's solar-powered pan, tilt and zoom security camera. In the box we have the user manual, a 5-watt solar panel with USB Type-C cable, the camera, and its wall mounting bracket, the solar panel's bracket and an USB Type-C cable. It also comes with a wall mounting kit, and 2 screws to fix the camera on its bracket. Let's see the solar panel. It's a 5-watt well-made solar panel. And here is how you assemble the bracket. When you install it, you fix the bracket on wall or ceiling, then fix the solar panel to the bracket. The solar panel comes with a 10 feet USB Type-C cable, so you will have enough cable if you want to mount the camera indoor, and bring the solar panel out. With the specially designed weatherproof port, you can easily plug the Type-C cable to the camera and keep it safe from rain. Let's take a look of the camera. There is the PIR thermal sensor, which senses people, animals and vehicles. Then there are 4 infrared LED lights, with 4 floodlights in the same LEDs. There are infrared, floodlight and auto 3 light modes selectable. On the bottom of the camera's bracket we see a dock protected with a rubber cap. Remove the little cap, you will see an USB Type-C port, that's where the solar panel plug goes in. Remove the whole rubber cap, you will see an on and off switch aside, with which you turn on and turn off the camera. On the bottom of the camera itself, there is another rubber cap. Remove it, you will see the reset key and micro SD card slot. While you install the camera, you fix the bracket on wall first, then hang the camera on bracket and fix it with the 2 screws. There is also a standard bracket dock on top, if you want to mount on ceiling. Let's see how the camera moves. The camera has a 3.6mm lens with 90 degrees field of view, plus the camera's 350 degrees horizontal rotation and 90 degrees tilt. The camera cover every direction where it mounted. The camera itself has 10,000 mAh Tesla type rechargeable batteries inside, so it works up to 180 days, even without the solar panel. So here is the set. The idea is, fully charge your camera with a phone charger when you receive it. With the first charge, the camera works 90 to 180 days, depending on how often it's activated. Then the solar panel keeps the camera charging whenever there is light, even in rainy and snowy days. That way, the camera stay powered. You can also choose to use a 5 volts phone charger to plug the camera to power, so the camera works 24/7.